FSSAI regulates healthy and organic food claims on packaged foods. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) has intensified scrutiny of food labels and marketing claims used on packaged food products. In June 2026, the regulator issued notices to several food business operators regarding claims such as healthy, organic, zero maida, true vitamin, and plant-based vegan. The move aims to ensure that consumers receive accurate information about food products and are not misled by promotional or unverified claims. Food labeling under Indian law. Food safety and regulation in India are governed by the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. Under this act, FSSAI is responsible for establishing standards related to food composition, packaging, labeling, advertising, and consumer protection. The Food Safety and Standards Labeling and Display regulations require manufacturers to provide truthful information regarding ingredients, nutritional content, and product characteristics. Labels and brand names must not create a false or misleading impression but about a product's nature or quality. Why has FSSAI issued notices? FSSAI has raised concerns over certain marketing terms commonly used on packaged foods. Claims such as healthy and true vitamin may imply nutritional benefit that are not clearly defined or recognized under existing food regulations. Similarly, zero maida claims have attracted attention where products still contain ingredients like wheat flour or wheat gluten, potentially misleading consumers. The regulator is examining whether such terms comply with established food standards and accurately represented the product being sold. Organic food claims under scrutiny. The use of the term organic is also being closely monitored. In India, organic food products must comply with recognized certification systems such as the National Program for Organic Production (NPOP) and the Participatory Guarantee System (PGS). Only products meeting certification requirements can use approved organic labels. Misuse of the term organic in trade names or branding without valid certification can invite regulatory action. Importance of the Jaivik Bharat logo. Certified organic food products in India are identified through the Jaivik Bharat logo. The logo assures consumers that the product complies with the prescribed organic production and certification standards. It serves as an important tool for building trust and ensuring transparency in the organic food market. Vegan and plant-based labeling rules. FSSAI is also examining the use of terms such as plant-based and vegan on food products. Manufacturers making vegan claims must comply with specific labeling requirements and obtain necessary approval. Products that create an impression of the officially vegan certification without meeting regulatory conditions may face scrutiny. These regulations help prevent confusion among consumers seeking plant-based or vegan food options. Regulatory actions and penalties. FSSAI possesses the authority to direct food businesses operators to modify labels and remove misleading claims and comply with food labeling regulations. Failure to comply can result in penalties, product recalls, suspension of licenses, or other enforcement action under the food safety framework. Such measures are intended to strengthen consumer protection and promote transparency